is going on.
Yeah, and can I ask a question?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Or is it necessary that I need to write an OCS exam after the completion of the course?
No, it's not needed, but if you know that if you are certified, you will be given first
good, yeah.
priority.
I get it. I totally understand.
It's not mandatory, but if you are certified, then the chances of getting job will increase, no, tremendously, right?
Yeah, obviously. No, I just had a slight doubt. Do we have to really write the exam or not?
No.
I know what will be the advantage, I know, but I was just asking you, is it mandatory that we have to write the exam?
No, not mandatory.
Okay.
Now, what happens in real time is, let us assume that you have a very big bank here. Let's say there is a very big bank.
Okay.
Which bank account do you have in America?
Bank of America.
Bank of America, very good. Equal to cash, right? We saw that Gentleman movie, no? When we were young, we saw that Arjun Gentleman movie, and he gives a check saying Bank of America equal to cash. You remember?
No, I don't.
Okay, fine. So let's say Bank of America. Now let's say there are, like 1 million or some customers are there. Okay.
Okay.
So it's not possible that all these transactions will be stored in a normal database system. Okay. Let's say they are using one Oracle database to store all these transactions. Okay. Now day-to-day transactions will be stored. Let's say you went to a bank today, your deposit, let's say $5,000. Okay. Now day-to-day transactions are stored in certain type of database called as OLTP, online transaction processing. You buy something online, no, Amazon.in, eBay.in, whatever you do, you buy something online, right? Yes?
Yeah. Yes.
Like you, there are several millions of customers who buy things daily, and imagine how these companies are going to store those transactions, millions of transactions daily, right? Yes?
Yes.
For them, they need to have a very big database, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, obviously.
Obviously, they need to have a very big database to store this, millions of transactions.
Yeah.
And not only that particular days, they also want to retain yesterday's transactions, last 3 months, because business is very important to them. Let's say eBay started its business, let's say from 2000. Today it is 2014. So it should sometime realize that, okay, how did I grow up? It is almost 14 years. I started in 2000. Today it is 2014. All these years, how much my company has earned? How much did I start with in 2000? In 2001, how much profit I got? In 2002, how much I got? In 2003, whether I earned or I was at loss? And in 2014, how I am competing with Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, right?
Yes.
Right? Yes. So that is why they need to also compete with other counterparts. So they need to store this data for years and years. So that is why they need a very big database called as a data warehouse. Okay, DWS. Fine?
Okay.
In this data warehouse, they use for day-to-day transactions, the database is Oracle or any other database, and it is called as OLTP, online transaction processing. But if you want to store data, for, let's say, years, let's say for 3 months, minimum of 3 months, for 90 days, from 3 months to, let's say, 30 years, let us assume. Okay. If you want to store this much of data, normal database will not be enough. So you have to go for a very big one called as data warehouse. In that you have a specialized database called as OLAP, Online Analytical Processing Database. Got it?
Okay.
Yes?
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So in this, whatever you are storing, let's say daily some transactions are going on. Today, let's say 1 lakh transactions are done in this side. Okay.
Okay.
So from here, what they will do, this 10,000. Let's say today 10,000 transactions. These 10,000 transactions, what they will do is they will immediately move these 10,000 transactions from here and put it into this OLAP database. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
So that it will be stored forever permanently in this, because we know that we can store it for 3 months to 30 years or 40 years,
Okay.
depending on how much big you want to create, how much you invest in that database. Got it? Yes?
Okay. Yeah.
Now the problem here is that how is that I'm going to move? Your friend said that he is working in ETL, no? ETL Informatica, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Your friend comes into picture here. What he will do is, using the ETL tool, he is going to remove the data, whatever 10,000 transactions, he is going to E that in the sense extract, take out that,
Extract,
do
yeah.
some transformations. Transformations means when you are taking out, there could be unwanted junk data, there could be misinterpreted data. Instead of numbers, some XYZ characters would come up, some dirty data would be there, some unwanted repetition of data would be there. You have to clean that data, no? Yes?
Yeah. Yes.
So that is what is transformations. Once you extract the data, using these transformations, you clean up that data called as data cleansing, and then you load that data into this data warehouse OLAP database, Online Analytical Processing Database. Got it now?
Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, I
So
got it.
your friend is only doing this part. That is his daily activity. ETL, extraction, transformation, and loading. For this, what happens is your friend might be using Informatica Power Center. The tool name is Informatica Power Center. Okay.
Power Center. Okay.
Informatica Power Center. So I will tell you what your friend might be doing. So there are many tools in the market actually. Most important one is Informatica. The tool name is Power Center. The company is very famous. That's why we always speak with the company name only. Informatica is the company name. The tool name is Power Center. Okay.
Okay.
Like this, there are so many tools in the market. You have the Oracle Data Integrator, ODI, like your Informatica only. Yeah,
Okay.
then you have data stage, like this. Then you have Ab Initio, like this. Ab Initio.
Okay.
Ab Initio is also one of the ETL tool. Okay.
Okay.
Then from Microsoft, you have the Microsoft Integration Services, which is also an ETL tool from MS Microsoft. Okay. Got it?
Microsoft. Okay.
Like this, you have a lot of ETL tools available in the market, depending on which is the one which the company wants. If the company is very rich, it will go for very good one which they are costly also, because the company is having lot of money. It will go for the top one only, no? Power Center, right?
Yeah.
Power Center ODI. If it is a limited company with limited budget, then it will buy data stage, or less than that it will go for Ab Initio. But Ab Initio, it's a Japanese product, but still it is also popular and it is also costly. Okay.
Okay.
It depends on the company. Now you understood what is the work your friend is doing. He will just remove the data from these OLTP sources, put it into the data warehouse,
and load. Yeah.
extract, transform, and load.
And load. Yeah.
Now what you will do? You are here. Now you are here. What you do here is, Mr. Deepak is here. Now you are OBIEE developer, man. What you have to do? Whatever data here it is stored, you will access this data. You will analyze this data, and you will generate the reports for this data. You will analyze and you will generate reports.
Generate the reports
Now,
for that.
yes. Now, how you are going to do it? You should also have some tools, no? Yes?
Yes.
Just a minute. You should also have some tools. You should also have some tools, no? So those tools are called as reporting tools, out of which the number one is Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. Then you have the Microsoft Business Intelligence reporting tool, and then you have the Cognos from IBM, which is one reporting tool. Then you have the business objects from the SAP. And then you have the other reporting tools like the ClickView. Then you have the TIBCO Spotfire. Then you have the Tableau. See, how many reporting tools are there?
Okay.
Then you have free open source called as Jaspersoft. It is free, but they charge. Jaspersoft. It is open source, but if you want a license, you have to pay not more amount, just some limited amount. Like this way. See how many reporting tools are there. How many ETL tools are there? You see, right? So once you understand OBIEE and do the training on it, probably once you know this, remaining tools will also be the same. So whenever you get a chance to move to different projects, sometimes like OBIEE project is over, you can take up project on MSBI or move to Cognos also, because the concept will be the same. Only thing, you need some basic training of the new tool and again go for a new project. Got it now? Yes?
Okay. Yeah.
So understood the concept now, how exactly what's happening, right? Yes?
Yeah. And I have a question. So
Yes.
here, Informatica is different from OBIEE.
Yes,
OBIEE,
Informatica is an ETL tool. OBIEE is a reporting tool.
Reporting tool.
But,
Yes.
you have lot of jobs on reporting.
OBIEE. Reporting, because we have, if you know OBIEE, we can go to MSBI, Cognos, BO,
See, lot of reporting. Yes. Now, if say there are 5 jobs on Informatica, there will be almost 10 jobs on OBIEE, like this. 10 jobs on OBIEE.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. So understood, Deepak, right?
Yeah. I totally understand.
Yeah, now I will clearly explain you what you will do with this OBIEE. The development process. So in this, the first one is you will design a structure called as repository. So you say design. First stage is design a structure. I think you have learned the software. I'll tell you. I think you have learned the software development life cycle, no? Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So your initial stage will be requirements gathering, requirements analysis, feasibility analysis. Then you have coding. Then that's development coding. Then you have testing. Then you have implementation. Then you have maintenance. Right? Yes.
Yeah.
So many stages will be there. Similarly, OBIEE development also follows those stages. So out of the same software development life cycle or the system development life cycle, the first stage is designing a repository using the OBIEE. Okay, and in this we have a tool called as the Oracle BA admin tool. Using this Oracle BA admin tool, we are going to design a repository. Okay, this is the first stage. Once that is over, Then we are going to develop the reports, and then it is also using a tool called as Oracle BI Answers. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then testing, you know that there is testing is also phased. You need to test. Testing is not mandatory in OBIEE. It depends on the client. Let's say you are the client and you are investing. If you want separate testing, then you have to put in more money and employ separate testing people to test those reports. If you think that if you don't have more money and you don't want to invest more, you say that you yourself test whoever have developed this design the repository developed, they themselves will do some manual testing. Okay, got it now? Yes.
Okay.
So first stage is designing a repository, and the file structure will be called as .rpd file. Let's say you have XYZ repository name, the file name extension will be .rpd. Then development of reports using the answers tool, then testing. Okay, fine?
Okay.
Okay, now what I will do here is, once the software is installed, you have the Oracle Business Intelligence folder here. You see Oracle BA Administration Tool. You see that? Oracle BA Administration Tool here, BA Administration, click on that. Yeah. Now you see it says Oracle BA Administration Tool. You see that? Yes?
Yes.
Now I say I am opening a repository that is already built. I have already designed it. So I am opening it to show you.
Okay.
In the actual training, you will be learning how to design this. So this is the repository. It says it is an online mode. It is Oracle BA Administration Tool. Like your database management system, if you have learned, just now you have finished means you will be having it in your mind that database will consist of 3 layers. That is the physical schema, above it logical or conceptual schema, about it the application and the user schema, right? Yes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
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 Similarly here also, this is what is the repository. It consists of 3 layers. Physical layer or physical schema, business model equal to the logical or conceptual schema, presentation
application.
presentation layer equal to yes, presentation layer equal to the application or the user schema. Now in the physical layer, we will connect to the physical data sources, import the tables here. In the business model, we implement business logic. What is the total amount sold? What is the total quantity sold? How many categories we have sold? All business calculations we will be creating it here in the business model. Okay? Yes?
Okay. Okay.
Fine. Now, in the presentation layer, whatever you have here in the presentation layer, that will be available for reporting. So like this, as a developer initially, you have to design all the 3 layers of the repository. Fine? Okay?
Okay.
Now let's say Deepak has finished designing all the 3 layers of the repository. Now he has to develop the reports. Now to develop the reports, he has to go to a location called as the presentation services. Okay? It will look like this. Oracle Business Intelligence, sign in. You see that? Yes?
Okay.
This is called as the Oracle Business Intelligence login page in simple words. Technically it is called as the presentation services. Why presentation services? Because if you want to present the data to the end user, you have to first develop the reports. If you want to develop the reports, you have to use the Oracle BA Answers tool, right? Yes?
Okay. Yes.
You have to use the Oracle BA Answers tool. If you want to use the Oracle BA Answers tool to develop the reports, you have to log into this. Understood now? Yes?
Okay. Yeah.
So log into the presentation services. Now observe something. Whatever is there in the presentation layer, this is called as the subject area. You see that? Yes?
Okay.
Subject is nothing but the business subject. Here SH is actually sales history, historical information of some sales information. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Normally in the data warehousing, what are we storing? Historical information. 6 months
Yeah.
data, 1 year data, 5 years data. It's all historical data only, no? Last 6 months data, last 5 years, last 10 years. It's all historical information, right? Yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So here it is called as the subject area, sales history here. Now, if you observe carefully here, I have logged in. Now, I go to new year and click analysis. When you click on analysis, it says subject area. And what do you observe here? What you are seeing
Subject
here?
area. The subject area, that means SH is going to, this is sales history.
Yeah, sales history. Now, how you are able to see it? Whatever sales history is there in the presentation, the same thing only you are able to see it here, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
Now, click on the subject area. You see, now it is saying Oracle BI answers. You see that? Yes?
Yes. Yeah.
To develop the reports, you want to use Oracle BI answers. It is starting Oracle BI answers. Now you see the subject area here. Whatever subject area is there in the administration tool, the same subject area, same tables are also available here. Now what I do, very simple. If you want develop reports, select whatever columns you want. Let's say I want calendar year. And let's say I want to know what is the total amount sold and what is the total quantity sold. I click on the results here, it will give me the report like this in a tabular format. So simple reporting, you see. You got the report? Yes?
Yeah.
Calendar year, amount sold, total quantity sold. Now let's say you want a graph of it. Let's say you want a pie diagram. Go to graph and say pie diagram. Select pie diagram. It will simply generate a pie diagram like this. You see? Amount sold, pie diagram. Quantity sold, pie diagram. It's showing the list of years 98, 99, 2000 and 2001. You see that? Yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Understood now? Yes. This is what you are going to do in your real time when you get a job. You are going to use the administration tool to design all the 3 layers of the repository. Once it is done, you will log into this BI answers and start developing reports like this. So I think now you got a clear picture. So your friend is working on the ETL side. You will be working in the reporting side if you learn OBIEE. Got it now? Yes?
Okay. Yes, I understand. So, I mean, if we have to generate results, this is how we generate the results, and I mean, you report.
This is how
So,
you
do you
get
need to
it.
report? Yeah, reporting is all about this. It's showing
Yes.
how much quantity is sold, how much amount.
This is what is your reporting. Understood? Got it?
Okay.
Uh,
Yes.
Now, I told you that OBIEE is not only a reporting tool, it is also an analysis tool. What you are
Right.
doing here, in the administration tool, you are arranging, you are analyzing the data, right?
Okay.
Based on this analysis, whatever your repository you are creating, you are analyzing the data. Based on this analysis only, that is why you see a keyword called as new analysis here. You see that? Yes?
Okay. Yes.
When I click on that analysis only, I will be able to select the subject area and then I will be selecting the columns and developing reports. So using the administration tool, you will be creating the analysis. Based on this analysis, you are developing the reports. Got it now? Yes?
Yes. Yes.
So I think with this demo you got a clear picture of what you wanted, right? Yes?
Yes.
I think you also understood what you meant by ETL, what is reporting, and what is the job difference. Got it?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
So you have
I
any
totally
questions?
understand.
Do you have any queries for me as of now?
No, nothing. I mean, like, it was so clear for me.
Okay. So this was your first demo session, and if you want to rate this demo out of 10 marks, how much marks you will give it to me?
I can give you a 9 because only 1 mark I take out for the internet connectivity, I guess, because your voice is breaking on some places. Because
Actually,
my
actually,
internet part, I'm checking it. It's totally full.
no. Let me tell you. Let me tell you something. Actually, the problem was that you were going offline. Okay. Anyway, it
I was,
doesn't matter.
yeah,
Yeah,
but
you were.
I mean, overall, I liked it. I mean, the way
Yeah,
you
I
showed me
understand. Yeah, I
the
just
initial
wanted.
part and the end part, the
Yes.
in between, I really didn't find it that hard. But I just want you to give me. I mean, this is all about is